Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening both files and deciding whether you need a static copy or a live connection. You want a live link when the Excel data will change. Choose Embed when you want portability. Once done, make sure Word's Trust Center allows link content and that Edit Links is visible. Next, select the Excel range or chart you'll use. Copy it in Excel. This first actionable step prepares the source so Word can accept a paste with linking options. Now paste with intent. In Word, choose Paste Special and select Paste Link to keep the connection. You pick Microsoft Excel Worksheet Object for tables or charts so Word preserves formulas and formatting. Alternatively, choose HTML or picture if you only need appearance. Once placed, resize and position the object. Make sure you save both files to keep the path intact. If you need to update, right-click the object and choose Update Link. This ensures Word finish by saving both documents and checking that links update. Use File Info or right-click the object and choose Update Link. Once done, manage links with Edit Links to change source, update automatically, or break the connection if you need a static copy. If a link fails, confirm the Excel file path and network access. If that still fails, relink the object to the correct workbook or embed the data as a fallback. A single troubleshooting tip: relink before breaking the link to avoid.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.